Okay, so tonight we are working on problems 28, 29, and 30. For problem 28, we are going to try factoring. After we realize that factoring is not going to work for us, we'll use that quadratic, and we'll have x equals the negative b, so negative 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And it's going to be over 2a. So when we have this, we'll have 4 times 4 is 16. 1 minus 16 will be negative 15. So we'll have x equals that negative 1 plus or minus negative 15, or the square root of negative 15 over 8. If you want to change that into being I square root of 15, that's fine, but that'll be your answer. For number 29, first we want to get this natural log by itself. So we'll subtract 7, and we'll have 10 natural log 4x minus 1 equals 15. Divide both sides by 10, and we'll have that natural log of 4x minus 1 equals 1.5. Then remember there's that invisible e, so I'll do the snail. We have e to the 1.5 equals 4x minus 1. After we add the 1, divide by 4, we'll have x equals e to the 1.5 plus 1 over 4. And for problem number 30, that's something that you're going to have to do yourself. So that's going to end tonight's homework video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.